Welcome students to our maths class. In the other session, we have covered addition and subtraction together. I repeat, in the other session, we have completed addition and subtraction together. We have to follow two rules that were arrange the number of all the plus signs together and all the minus signs together. That was the first rule. Then first add, then subtract. Okay, I repeat, arrange all the plus signs together, then arrange all the minus signs together. First add, then subtract. Okay, so these were the two rules. Now today we are going to deal with subtraction, exercise 3.7. I repeat, exercise 3.7, that is word problems. All are ready? Come on students, be ready with your classwork copy, rough copy and textbook. Take out page number 107, right? Take out page number 107. We'll be doing word problems. All are ready? Let's start. The first word problem, I'll deal with one example. Okay? Yes, the first example is, in a school there are total 5,345 students. Out of 5,345 students, 2,785 are girls. So, how many boys are there in a school? For that, no need to write the whole word problem. Only write the solution. Okay? The first solution, the example of the first solution is total number of students. It's given in the book, page number 107. So, total number of students we'll write. Then we'll write 5,345. Then, number of girls. So, number of girls. How many girls are there? 2,785 girls are there. Automatically, therefore, number of boys. What are we supposed to do? Minus. Yes. So, from 5,345 minus 2,785. Then, after doing the subtraction, we'll get the answer. Right? Yes. So, we'll come on to question number 1. For that, we'll write the solution first. First, let me read the sum. The students of a school planned for a tree planting event and they targeted for 2,500 saplings. Till evening, they planted only 2,375 saplings. How many more saplings were to be planted? I'll repeat. The students of a school, they planned for a tree planting event. उन्होंने प्लानिंग किया, let's do tree plantation. ठीक है? They targeted for 2,500 saplings. उन्होंने सोचा, let's plant 2,500 saplings हमको plant करना है. But till evening, what happened? They planted only 2,375. शाम तक लेकिन उनको 2,375 का ही प्लांटेशन कर पाए, पौधा लगा पाए. Then what happened? How many more saplings were to be planted? कितने मेरे पास बच गए? Okay? So for that, first line for solution, for first line what are we supposed to write? For a tree plantation event, TATION, event. Okay. First line, number of saplings to be planted. Number of saplings to be planted. First line. Number के लिए we can write like this, number of saplings to be planted is equal to, कितना हमें लगाना था? 2500. Okay, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 2500. Right? Then till evening they planted only 2375 saplings. What will be the next line? Number of saplings planted. Number of saplings planted. That is 2375. 2375. Right? My dear students, write in columns only. छोटा छोटा करके लिखना, right? Then, therefore, number of more saplings left. Number of saplings left, directly we can write. Number of saplings left. That is 2500 minus 2375. So from 0 we cannot subtract 5. Again यहाँ से borrow कर लिया. Here it will be 10. Here it will become 9. 10 में से 5 गया. 10 minus 5. 10 on my mind, 5 on my fingers. 10 से come backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 9 minus 7, that is 2. Here it is 5 minus 3. 5 on my mind, 3 on my finger. 5 से come 4, 3, 2. Oh, sorry. Here it will be 4. Here I have taken from 5. That will be 4. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Okay? So, I repeat, 10 minus 5 is 5. यहाँ से 1 borrow कर लिया. From here, this number from tens place, we have only 0. So, we will have to ask from hundreds place. यहाँ से 1 ले लिया. Here it will be 10. 10 से again इनसे मांग लिया, तो that way it will become 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Here it is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. And here 2 minus 2 will be 0. So, what will be your answer? Your answer will be 125 saplings left. So, this way you will write. I think it's clear. For a tree plantation event, number of saplings to be planted 2500. Number of saplings planted, actually planted, कितना plant कर पाए थे? That is 2375. Therefore, you can write therefore. Therefore means 3 bindi. Therefore, number of saplings left, that is 125 minus करके मिलेगा. So answer you are supposed to write, otherwise we'll cut marks. Okay, so this was your first sum. I hope everything is clear. We'll come to the second sum. The second sum is, this was our first solution. Okay, now come to the second solution. Second solution, right? In a national park, there were 1,763 birds. 135 birds flew away after winter. How many birds are left in the park? It's so easy. एक नेशनल पार्क में देयर वेर 1763 बर्ड्स. उनमें से 135 बर्ड्स उड़ गए. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ आफ्टर विंटर, राइट? सो हाउ मेनी बर्ड्स आर लेफ्ट इन द पार्क? सो फर्स्ट line, what are we supposed? No need to write the whole question. First write down the solution. First line क्या लिखोगे? In a national park, so things will be clear. एक national park में then we can write total number of birds. क्या होगा? Total number of birds कितने थे? 1763. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 1763, right? 1763. Number of birds flew away. Second line. Number of birds. How many? Only 135. So 135. 5 you will write. 3 you will write here. This is 1. ठीक है? And you will put the minus sign. Right? And what will be the third line? Therefore, number of birds left. Therefore, we can put 3 bindi. Number of birds left. That is, we'll do subtraction. From 3, we cannot subtract 5. Chalo, we'll ask one from tens place. That will be 13. यहाँ पे here it will be 5. Right? 13 minus 5. 13 on my mind. 5 on my finger. 13 से कम. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So I'll write 8 over here. 5 minus 3. 5 से कम. 4, 3, 2. Right? Here it is 7. We did not ask anything from hundreds place. So 7 minus 1, it is 6. And here it is 1. 1628. So your answer will be, answer is 1628 birds. Children, you can write in rough copy first, then we can copy down in the fair copy, right? पहले rough copy में लिख लीजिए, then write down in the fair copy. I hope it's clear. In a national park, total number of birds कितने हैं? 1763. Okay? Number of birds flew away, उड़ गए. How many are there? 135 birds उड़ गए. Therefore, number of birds left कितने? बच गए. That is 1628. I hope all have written. We'll deal with third sum. Okay? I'll read the question for the third sum. Nisha's mother makes candles at home and sells them. A girl named Nisha, उनकी मम्मी, she used to make nice candles at home, घर पे बनाते थे, and sells them, उनको बेच देती थी. She has made 4,350 candles. उन्होंने 4,350 candles बना ली. Oh my God! And sold 3,120 candles. उन्होंने उसमें से 3,120 candles उन्होंने बेच दिए. How many candles are left with her? Okay, I repeat. A girl named Nisha, उनकी मम्मी, she used to make nice candles. So how many candles did she make? She used to make at home all the candles, and she made 4,350 candles, and she sold only 3,120 candles. So how many candles are left with her? उनके पास कितने candles बच गए? Okay, it's very easy. Come on girls, be ready for the solution. That will be your solution number 3. In one page, we'll do only one word problem, right? Don't make it as a mess. Okay? एक पेज में एक ही word problem करना, so it will look neat, clean and tidy, right? Solution number 3. Okay? Solution number 3. First line. Nisha's mother made candles. Mother made candles. Right? For selling. So, number of candles made. Made candles for selling लिख लो. For selling. So we can understand the problem clearly. First line, number of candles made. First line, number of candles made. That is 4,350. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. 4,350. Right? Okay. So, second line will be number of candles sold. Number of candles sold. that is 3120. 3120, right? So third line will be therefore number of candles left. Therefore 3 bindi number of candles left. Just we'll do subtraction. Minus likho. Yes. 0 minus 0 will be 0. Tens place में 5 minus 2. 5 on my mind, 2 on my finger. 5 से कम 4, 3. Yes. Then hundreds place में 3 minus 1. It will be 2. And 4 minus 3, 4 on my mind, 3 on my finger, 4 से कम 3, 2, 1. Yes, 1. Then you'll write the answer. Answer will be, answer is 1230 candles. Yes. So this must, students, my dear students, do the sums neatly in one page, only one word problem, right? Then we'll deal in the next class. Thank you.